Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is quicker than you might think, but always remember to double-check everything for security. Crypto transfers aren't reversible. First off, make sure you have both Uphold and Robinhood accounts fully set up and verified. In 2025, regulations might have tightened, so confirm your identity and two-factor authentication are active on both apps. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Head over to your XRP wallet. It's usually under your portfolio or assets section. Step 2. Select the Withdraw or Send option for XRP. You'll need to enter the destination address, which is your Robinhood XRP wallet address. To find this, log into your Robinhood account, go to your crypto section, and copy the XRP deposit address. Pro tip: double-check the address to prevent any loss. It's a common mistake. Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated cost on Uphold before confirming. In 2025, XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are super fast, often under a minute. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure all details are correct, then hit send. Once it's processed, check your Robinhood account to verify the XRP has arrived. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, contact support for both platforms. They have improved AI chatbots by 2025 that can resolve problems quickly. There you have it, you've successfully transferred your XRP. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.